For the entirety of our course, we're going to be using this gloss glazing liquid, and what it is an acrylic medium, meaning you add it to your pure pigment paint. And what it will do is create transparency, translucency, and basically it just lowers the level of opacity of your paint. And some of you may be thinking, what about water? Could I use water to thin my paint down? You could, but water does dilute the paint and it doesn't keep the same consistency as the paint that you're using. So I actually don't use water at all. I only use it for cleaning my brushes in between. I use this gloss glazing liquid for everything, every part of the painting process. So a matte medium is similar to a gloss glazing liquid, and I'll show you what this looks like, but I no longer use this anymore. I can't open it, it's so hard. Like, honestly, what in the world? I'm about to run it under some hot water. Look at my hand. All right. I can do this. I can't. I really cannot do this. Nope. This thing is sealed shut. Maybe that's a hint. I mean, look at my hand. I just ripped it up. Wow. All right. Well, okay. So here is your matte medium, similar to your gloss glazing liquid, but I don't like it as much. I really don't. I put this on the list and I put this as optional because unfortunately I used it in the lessons, and I say unfortunately because it caused me nothing but problems. So if you want to see all the mistakes I made with my matte medium, specifically check out Portrait 4. I no longer use this, so you do not have to get it. And same thing with my clear leveling gel. I do not use this anymore because of so many problems, especially my portrait number 4 as well. So portrait number 4, if you're starting to see, was my mistake portrait. I left the whole lesson in there because I don't know about you, but sometimes I learn more from watching people's mistakes.